A Samsung Kies backup file contains everything backed up from your Samsung smartphone or tablet: contacts, messages, settings, and more. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you restore or access your Samsung device backup data. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier SBW file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. SBW files are backup archives created by Samsung Kies desktop software storing contacts, messages, call logs, apps, photos, and device settings from Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets. They enable full device restoration after factory reset or device migration. Samsung Kies SBW files are encrypted, compressed archives containing SQLite databases for contacts and messages media files in original formats and application APK packages. They are tied to the originating device model and firmware version for compatibility. To ensure best performance with SBW, always start with Samsung Kies from Samsung Electronics. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows doesn't read backup structure or indexes, making specialized software essential for access. Let's utilize the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your SBW file, then click Open with, test Samsung Kies if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If the SBW file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Because the SBW format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, restoring the backup. Install Samsung Kies from Samsung's official website and connect your Samsung device via USB. Open Kies and navigate to Backup and Restore. Then select Restore and browse to your SBW file to begin restoring your device data completely. Next, accessing individual files. Rename the SBW file extension to zip and extract its contents using 7-zip or WinRAR. Browse the extracted folders to locate individual photos, contacts, databases, and media files. Contacts are stored in VCF format within the extracted directory structure. Finally, using Smart Switch instead. Samsung Smart Switch has replaced Kies for newer devices. Install Smart Switch and attempt to import the SBW backup file. If incompatible, extract the SBW as zip and manually transfer photos and contacts to your new Samsung device. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.